दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss type of UI, proper definition of UI and web application architecture. Firstly we discuss types of UI. Okay, mainly there are three types of UI. First one is operating system. How can we say ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज वन ऑफ यूआई, राइट? आपका क्वेश्चन हो सकता है। सो सिंपल है, अगर आपने कोई लैपटॉप परचेज किया है और लैपटॉप क्या है, ये एक हार्डवेयर डिवाइस है ओनली, तो इसमें हम लोग विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, ना तो गेम खेल सकते हैं, ना तो किसी फोल्डर को ओपन कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, राइट? लेकिन अगर हम लोग इसमें ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं देन यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग। आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, गेम खेल सकते हो, फोल्डर को ओपन कर सकते हो, म्यूजिक प्ले कर सकते हो। तो इट मीन्स इन शॉर्ट हम कहेंगे आप इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हो मशीन से, राइट? तो अगर आप इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हो इट मीन्स ये क्या हुआ, ये एक यूआई हुआ है, राइट? तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या है, ये एक यूआई है। सो हियर आर सम एग्जांपल ऑफ ओएस यूआई। फर्स्ट वन विंडोज, देन लिनक्स, आईओएस एंड मैक। Okay, then next one is the customer devices. So we'll go to the ATM machine is a best example, right? You no need to go physically in any bank and to get the amount. Directly go to the ATM machine, insert a card, give the information and you will get the cash, right? So how the interaction happen? You are the human being and that's a machine. So how the interaction happen between? There is a concept of UI, right? This is same for the other examples, right? Okay, and the last one is a website. You know HDFC Bank is one website. You don't need to go physically to the bank because you can do everything in online, right? You can directly interact with the bank through the UI, right? So this is also a best example, a best type. Okay, and now let's see the proper definition of UI development. UI development is the process of developing front end of any website using UI technologies. What are the UI technologies? HTML, CSS, AngularJS, JavaScript for better interaction of human with the machine. So the proper definition is UI development is the process of developing front end of any website using UI technologies like HTML, CSS, AngularJS, JavaScript for better interaction of human with the machines, right? Now let's see the web application architecture. This is the most important topic, okay? So listen carefully. Now see how the web application works, okay? Any basic application look like this, okay? Only the three part: client, server and database. We all have Instagram account, right? So let's understand how the Instagram work with this architecture, okay? You have in your own laptop, you have one browser, right? So in the browser, you have enter your name and password and click on the login button. Once you click on the login button in your browser, it send HTTP request to the Instagram server. Now what Instagram server will do is do some process. It send the request back to the database and asking, hey Instagram database, this is a one person, Sham, trying to access our Instagram account. Could you please check he is a valued user of Instagram or not? So that we'll check it in the database. Then database just execute one SQL query. One will get the record at least. He send response back to the server. This is a valid user or valid customer. So please do the process and give the actual page. So what the server does is it does the actual process and send a response back to the client so that you can able to see the actual page, okay? The any web application normally works like this architecture: client, server and database. So each web application there are different technologies, okay? So to get the understand what are the technologies used for the web, okay, let's see. The very first column is a client side and the middle one is a server side and the last one is a database side. So you name any web application, they are using one or other databases and one or other server side technologies, okay? So in the next video, we will discuss about these technologies. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.